The DEVintersection Conference, December 7th through the 9th in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's your opportunity to network and gain real-world insights from the best at Microsoft and the community. Learn what's new from people in the know about .NET 6, .NET MAUI, and C# 10, the newest version of C# programming language. It's 3 days of sessions and 3 days of workshops where you'll hear from the leaders at Microsoft and the community, as well as get that hands-on experience with the MVPs and experts you've come to know and trust. When I get an opportunity to speak at an event like this one, it means a lot to me that I can see and connect with those folks that are my friends, those folks that have been around and ask me questions, about a session that I gave 2 years ago at an event. And they still remember it, it still made an impact with them. I look forward to making those connections. As a safety protocol, all speakers, attendees, and staff must show proof of vaccination or a negative COVID-19 test within 72 hours of arrival. The DEVintersection Conference, December 7th through the 9th in Las Vegas, Nevada. To learn more, register at DEVintersection.com.